What's going on, guys? eBay Ninja here. Back at it again with another 240 update. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of work on the exhaust. As you can see down here, we have a little bit of a fitment issue. We're hitting right here on the body. So I need to just hammer that in just a little bit more. And so first of all, I'm going to remove this mid-pipe section here. Just 2 V-bands. And one up here. Need to loosen it a little bit more. Let's go ahead and pop this. Get that out of the way. And we'll go up top. You can see right here. I mean, it's just hitting. And if you get above like 3,000 RPMs, it just vibrates the whole car. So let me grab my impact. Go ahead and loosen this downpipe. I went ahead and got the downpipe pulled off. We're gonna go back down under here, make sure we got room. So as you can see, right here is where we need to hammer it in. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. As you can see here, I have my non-marring hammer, so shouldn't do too much damage. This is a stiletto hammer. One of the best hammers you can get. Go pick one up if you're into framing. It's a very good framing hammer. Used this for many years and it's never let me down. Here we go. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and get the downpipe re-secured. I'm not too worried about all this red silicone. I'm just gonna send it and clamp it pretty good. Should be fine. All right, we got this on. Let's go ahead and send it on home. It should be good. Looks good down there. Not a lot of room with this downpipe. Let's see if we got some clearance. Oh yeah. Way better. So let's go ahead and get this connected and we'll take it on a test drive. Alright guys, as you can see, the exhaust is all connected. It appears that we have enough clearance. Hopefully that'll stop the rattling issue. I'm gonna go ahead and get it off these ramps and we can go for a little test drive, see how she rides. But that was an issue I've been having since I got the car back. So yeah, decided to fix it today. Warm up and then we'll go for a quick drive. That didn't solve the problem. I'm thinking it might be that exhaust heat shield because it was hitting on it when I took it off, so I'll have to check that out. But we got to go for a little ride, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. I also noticed my miles, my odometer is reading in kilometers even though it says miles, so I'm not sure what what that's about. Well, I guess we didn't quite solve our issue here, but I think next time I'm gonna try to remove this heat shield under here. It's too hot now, but we got a heat shield right here. I think that could be causing the rattle. So I'll try to remove that and we'll take it on another drive. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you learned something. Make sure to stick around for the next update on the Tommyfyeah 240. But for now, I guess this is it.
Stacked on top of my truck is my camper. On my way to Tommyfyeah, the scammer. JD and the smoke, my turn signals amber. Lambo doors and my wheels got camber. Ask Tom how much is 20%. Ask Tom who gave Chris's car a dent. Ask Tom how much money he's been lent. Ask Tom if your merchandise ever got sent.